No pressure there. All right, hey, Dr. Gutierrez here. I'm here with Joey. Joey is he has a torn meniscus in his right knee, so he's gonna get surgery. We don't know when, but in the meantime, we're just trying to help him out, just help it be more functional. So go ahead and stand up. Let's see. Last time we worked with, I know you had a restriction bending. Turn this way, and try to bend it up.
I should be okay.
Oh, you can get up pretty good this time. Okay,
Yeah.
cool, awesome. That looks good. Where do you feel pain?
Right in here. Right there.
More across the front?
Yep.
Okay, so, well, let me see. Let me do this. Let me have you go face down. Let me get some paper. And then I'm just going to bend here.
It starts hurting there.
That starts hurting there? That one doesn't hurt, right?
No.
No. But that one, like if he's face down,
Right there.
Right there. I can feel the resistance there. So that's not much. And also on this one too, you gotta look at too, he's had a torn Achilles. So that's gonna be common to get another injury where you've already had a previous injury too. But what we'll do, we'll basically use a big steel roller. I'll pull it out right now. It's actually on the floor, but I'll show you. But we're gonna roll out everything. Calf, we'll roll hamstring, we'll do a little bit of glute, and then we can even do quad, and we'll just check afterwards to see an improvement in range of motion. But let me pull this up here, and let me actually, you know what? I'll start with the glutes just so you get it.
Okay.
So it's not too intense for you. That feel okay?
Yep.
Probably feels good, right?
Actually, it does.
Yeah. So this is just like we're just making tortillas here. Right? The steel roller weighs 44 pounds, so it's got a good weight to it. I can put some weight into it, or I can just let it kind of do its thing. Right here, it's okay. The muscles are so big that I can put a little bit more force into it. It's not going to be as comfortable if you do that on the calf. You just want to use the roller, just its own weight, basically. And you just tell me if it's too much, all right, Joey?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay right there?
Yes, sir.
Just go lightly. And I can feel, like going through this, there's almost like little speed bumps. You can feel where there's more tension in certain areas.
Mm-hmm.
And I just kind of just work those areas until they flatten out. And like right there. And you just, breathe and tell me if anything's too much.
No, not yet.
Not yet. We'll do it on your neck next.
No, that'd be too much.
Yeah, there you go. And then the calf, we want to just kind of, I'm going to give you all the weight I can come off if I need to. You tell me.
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll just stay more to the belly of the calf. You can go into the Achilles. It's not always the most comfortable, but when you do, you just want to be gentle. And with the calf, we want to be aware there's two heads. So right now I'm just leaning more towards the medial side. Right there I can feel, like I said, it's like a speed bump. There's a little tension there. Yeah, you just breathe. Now we're gonna get that lateral side. Take a little pressure off with my knee. Good. All right. So you go ahead and flip over on your back. Quad's gonna be a lot easier. It's a bigger muscle group. Unless you just work legs.
Bike. It's always good.
You ride the bike?
Oh, you do? You ride a bike?
Yeah.
All right, I'll hold a little bit of the weight off. I'll go light. I can pull off on some of it.
Holy crap.
Oh, that would beat them up. Pretty good. Go ahead and relax here. Just do a little bit of stretching with the hamstrings here. Does that feel okay on the knee?
Yes, that is.
Good. This one here. I'll just do some manual release on the IT band. Okay, let's see. Go ahead and flip back over face down. Let's do a quick recheck. A few minutes there. And then bend here. Go ahead and relax. See, so now I'm getting less tension. I can. Before it was a lot further where I was having tension. I'm sure I can push and get a little bit more. Actually, he's not giving it. That's not bad there. Yeah. See,
Right there it is.
See, we can go a little further. I mean, so. And then if I'm just being super detailed, I'm feeling most of the tension on the outside. So I would want to, that's what I would want. It's a lot of, so now he's getting restriction in his IT band. I don't want to put the roller, the steel roller on his IT band, because that's a lot of, that'll hurt quite a bit. Just a regular foam roller is going to be pretty intense on the IT band. So I'll just do a little manual release here, just to see if we can get a little more. Right there, man. I'm just looking for the trigger points just to kind of release, get some blood flow. If you got 3 knots in a muscle and you can release those, it's going to increase the length of that muscle, so the flexibility is going to be there. That's going to decrease some of the restriction that you're going to find. But I think IT band's tight though. Even just manually doing that's going to be a little painful.
Yeah.
Go this way. See, now I got get less resistance, and see, I could bend more if I want to.
Actually, it feels really good.
Yeah. I mean, see, just a few minutes. Not much, not bad. I know it's tough though. Working the calf was pretty tough, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna adjust his full body too. Okay. Actually, you know what? Since I'll use the roller a little bit on his erectors. The erectors are a much bigger muscle group, so it's not. It feels a lot better in this area than on a calf.
Oh,
But the calf does feel like a good hurt though. Over here. Loosen up nice. No pressure there. Good. 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 Now flip over on your back. Good. Go ahead and turn this way towards me. There. Just a little bit. Right there. Good. Let's turn the other way. Good. Face up. Go ahead and stand up. And let's see you bend the knee again.
Bend the knee again?
Yeah. I'm gonna bring it all the way up. Let's see what that looks like. Easy, huh?
Much better.
Much
Much
better.
better. Still slight resistance, but it's a lot better than what it was.
Yeah. Awesome, guys.